Tear it down. Run in.
Go in! What the hell? Oh, forgot about that. Don't step on that. Don't step on that.
For the puzzle?
Yeah.
Awesome. How long did this take you?
Way too long.
I'll leave it like this for a while.
What were you saying?
What's that on your laptop, Derek?
On my laptop?
I know you have the phone whenever Derek was running in for his gift.
Yes. Banana emojis. Banana emojis.
You destroyed my heart, Derek.
Store.
Can you tell what stuff is?
Yeah, like, I even did the garbage that I hadn't thrown away for a while.
We even added some.
Yeah.
Some garbage?
Look at Toe. He's even
I
darker.
know.
He looks even creepier.
Can barely recognize him. Careful, that's your box fan.
I even got this in there.
The roof was hard.
Yeah, the roof is very hard.
I don't leave it like that. It's too much damage.
It's a fire hazard.
Yeah, we're probably gonna have to take this down.